Dive into the world of digital painting with the Fur Realistic Painting Brushes for Photoshop, the ultimate tool for adding lifelike fur textures to your artwork. With its versatile brushes and powerful features, the Fur Realistic Painting Brushes for Photoshop empower artists and designers to create stunning fur textures with ease. Lifelike fur textures. The Fur Realistic Painting Brushes for Photoshop simulate the look and feel of real fur, allowing you to create lifelike textures that add depth and realism to your artwork. From soft and fluffy fur to coarse and textured fur, the brushes offer a wide range of options to suit your creative vision. Customization options. Tailor the fur textures to your specific needs with customizable settings that allow you to control every aspect of the painting process. Adjust parameters such as brush size, opacity, and pressure sensitivity to achieve the perfect look for your fur textures. Easy-to-use brushes. The Fur Realistic Painting Brushes for Photoshop feature easy-to-use brushes that make painting fur textures quick and effortless. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced digital artist, the intuitive brushes allow you to create professional quality fur textures with ease. Whether you're painting animals, characters, or fantasy creatures, the Fur Realistic Painting Brushes for Photoshop provide you with the tools you need to bring your artwork to life with lifelike fur textures. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with the Fur Realistic Painting Brushes for Photoshop is smooth and hassle-free. Ready to add lifelike fur textures to your artwork? Visit the Fur Realistic Painting Brushes for Photoshop page today and discover the power of realistic fur painting with the Fur Realistic Painting Brushes for Photoshop.